So hi guys, for today's video we're gonna learn about how to build a funnel using the Zappify.io funnel builder in your sub account. So first thing first, go to a site, this one, then click new funnel, or it can be either from blank or create using AI or from the template. So gonna choose this one from blank. Say for example, static static and dermatology clinic. Then click create. After you enter a name for your funnel, you can start adding steps such as a landing page followed by a thank you page. This one, click this one, landing page. Create a fun step. Take this one. And also can add or followed by thank you page. Click create funnel step. So after creating your steps, click on each one. So for example, landing page. So you can drag and drop builder where you can customize the layout, text, or even images and buttons that based on your offer. We click this one. This one. Okay, you can add elements for your preferences. This one have layers. So once your funnel is complete, click the publish to make it live. Then copy. Then you can copy the funnel URL so you can share it with your audience or use it for your running ads. Click this one to update your step. Just like that. So after this, you can use this for your business page. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.